Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it, folks, with another one. This time we're unboxing the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch. For those that don't know, Fossil was actually acquired by Google for $40 million back in 2019. So it is a Google smartwatch. This is the Gen 6. We're going to do the unboxing right now to see what's inside. All right, so let's open this up. Take this plastic off. I got some stickers here, so I got my trusty little knife. I'll cut that. Let's see if there's another one on the other side. Yep. All right. This should come out one way or another. So this will be a quick unboxing because it is a smartwatch, so there can't be very much inside here. Oh, there we go. Gotta love live unboxing, folks. So there's the watch themselves. It's got this little kind of cover on it, but it's trying to show you what it looks like when it's on. Oh, interesting. So it's even got a cover on the back for the connector for the battery. So let's just kind of see what that looks like. Okay. Interesting. It's got a nice thick dial on here with 2 buttons on either side. What's that over here? I don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure. Interesting. Okay, so that's the watch itself. Let's see what the charging case looks like. So it does come with warranty. Wow, look at this. All that just for the warranty. Multiple languages. And I assume this is the quick start guide. Charge and power on. Step 1, folks. And download and pair the app. Okay. Question is, where is, oh, it flew out. 1 second. That's why. That thing flew out. Here we go. Very simple. This is likely magnetic. Yep. And then USB. So folks, just a bunch of mess. Again, all this looks to be recyclable except for this plastic right here, which is actually, I don't know about this either. I'm going to probably have to throw that into the garbage because it doesn't look like it's the kind of plastic that you can recycle. So that's it, folks. There you go. Quick Gen 6 Fossil. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be reviewing this. I don't know if this measures jump rope. It's more, it seems like a casual smartwatch with some heart rate and exercises, but jump rope's pretty niche. But it doesn't matter. If it does do heart rate, I will jump some rope and see how it works. So you'll want to subscribe to the channel to finish this review. I really don't know anything about this watch right now, folks. So I'm going in to this review with an open mind. So I'll have to check that out. Before I go, let's just see if it has any power. And it doesn't look like it. Okay, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time, folks.